In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the Data Science for Business course from Harvard, step by step, even if you've never enrolled in an online university course before. This is a great program if you want to understand how data science is used in real business decisions, strategy, and leadership without needing a heavy technical background. I'll walk you through where to find the course, how to enroll correctly, and how to get started right away. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and up-to-date software and education tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Harvard website. You want to make sure you're on the real Harvard platform and not a third-party site. In the search bar on the Harvard website, type in Data Science for Business. This will bring up the course page that explains what the program covers, who it's for, and how it's delivered. Take a moment to scroll through the page so you can review the course overview, syllabus, and expected outcomes. This helps you confirm that this course matches your goals before enrolling. Once you're on the Data Science for Business course page, look for the Enroll button. This is usually clearly visible near the top of the page or alongside the course details. Click on Enroll to begin the registration process. At this stage, you may be redirected to Harvard's learning platform or an affiliated course provider such as Harvard Online. Don't worry, this is normal and part of the official enrollment flow. Next, you'll be asked to fill in your personal details. This typically includes your name, email address, and sometimes your educational or professional background. Make sure you enter accurate information, especially your email, because this is where you'll receive course updates and access instructions. If you don't already have a Harvard or course platform account, you'll be prompted to create one by setting a password. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and complete all required fields. After completing your details, review the enrollment information on the confirmation screen. Some versions of the course may be free to audit, while others may offer a paid certificate option. Choose the option that best suits your needs and confirm your enrollment. Once completed, you'll get a confirmation message and often a welcome email with instructions on how to access the course dashboard. Now you're ready to start the course. Simply log into the learning platform using the account you just created, navigate to your enrolled courses, and click on Data Science for Business. From here, you can begin watching lectures, exploring course materials, and tracking your progress at your own pace. That's it. You've successfully accessed the Data Science for Business course from Harvard. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.